Hello. Okay, so I needed a primer, and of course it's not like I could go into Sephora or Ulta, so I'm like, okay, let me just go to Walmart. I went to Walmart and grabbed a primer, grabbed more things.
Why does this always happen? Why?
Today's video will be me using only
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's
Maybelline. As you can see, all the shit I bought. The first thing is this primer, the Master Prime by Face Studio primer base. Okay, for some reason I thought it was gonna be blue. So far so good. It feels really nice on my skin. Okay, so I think I want to do concealer next. This concealer is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light. I don't like it when drugstores have their packaging like this, because then you know no one will touch it. Anyone else feel that way? Feels nice. I like how it feels. So next, foundation. So they have 3 different types of these, and I got the dewy one. These are the Fit Me. I'm hoping this will work out, and I'm hoping this is my freaking color. I don't think no one touched this. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed with this foundation. I don't really do dewy foundations. All of the ones that I have are like mattes, so this is kind of really interesting. So I'm gonna go back with the Fit Me concealer, and I'm gonna cover my eyelids, and we're gonna try the eyeshadow. I bought like 2 things from them. The Maybelline palette. Oh shit. This cute little thing. It is $5.50 Cocoa City. I got this color tattoo. I think it's like a little cream that you set on your eye. Oh no. Does it look like someone touched this? I don't think I'll be using her. Oh my god, I didn't even realize this. Look at that. Yeah. I will be returning this. The good thing is this had this little thing. God, that made me so mad. I was really excited for that. Can I even get this out? I kind of want to go with like a little natural look today. I'll be using this color. That color did absolutely nothing. So to deepen it up, I'm going to use this color right here. I think I'm going to add the pink onto my lid just to add a little bit of color. So clearly these colors are very, you can't see it. I mean, I was kind of expecting this. Honestly, I think this is a pretty good everyday palette, you know? You just need the colors for your crease and then you're good. I'm gonna go back in with the crease color to darken it up. I mean, it's not terrible, but pretty much it looks like I haven't done anything to my eye. On to the next thing. Oh, eyeliner. So I got this Tattoo Studio 36-hour eyeliner. Ooh. Glides on decently. I'm curious if this will last, if this is really 36 hours as it claims. God, I hate doing the left eye. I mean, I've done better, but for some reason with the brush, I just, maybe because I'm not used to it, I'm used to the other ones, but it's not like I could be like, you know, with my little wing, like. So, oh, so I got this Brow Fast Sculpt by Maybelline. I don't know about their brow products, but we'll see how this one is. I'm hoping this will be my new favorite thing because I don't really do my brows. I cannot open it. Oh, here we go. Okay. Ooh. Next thing is mascara. Maybelline is literally notorious for their mascaras I should have filmed it, but they had like, I want to say like 5 rows of mascaras when I went to Walmart. So I honestly grabbed like the cheapest one I saw. I got this bad boy here. It is the Lash Sensational. Anyone else get satisfied opening things like out of the factory? So fun. My stand almost fell on my face. Okay. So it's like this. Oh, yeah, it's decent. I mean, for like a cheap mascara. Oh, fuck. See how they are? I'm gonna go back in with my concealer. I'm going to set my concealer with this infamous Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Ooh, okay. There's tape in here, thank God. Okay, so no one touch this. Yay! Ooh. That worked out. Okay, Maybelline. I actually like the color. It definitely matches me. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Oh! Okay, I now know the hype for this. Wow! Love how this left my skin. Stop what you're doing. Order from Walmart. Do curbside pickup. Get this powder. I love it. Next thing is bronzer, powder, and highlight. And I just bought this set in the shade 20, so medium to deep. Well, it's actually really dark. So I feel like I put too much there, so I'm gonna go back with the powder. Face looking snatched. I don't know if I want to use this blush. It's very like glittery, but I'll just go ahead and do it. Ugh. Next thing, the highlighter in this palette. So the highlight is barely there, which makes me sad. Last thing we're gonna do is lips. This is the Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick, I guess. I never tried these, so. The applicator looks like this. Little teardrop. See? Ooh, it smells really good. Oh my God, the smell. It smells like bubblegum. Like, you guys know the NYX lip butter glosses? It kind of smells like that. It smells really good though. It smells really sweet. Okay, here's the final look. Let me get dressed real quick because I'm still in my PJs, so hold up. What up? I'm back. You know what? I'm not mad at this look. I'm more curious if it's gonna look like this by the time the night hits. So right now it is 11:53. Well, we'll see how this lasts. See you guys later. It is 5:01. This is oily. Glasses stain. It's not bad. I just ate and this is still on. So, pretty impressed. I'm back again. It is 8:41. Can you not see that? Clearly, the makeup is completely off my nose. That's kind of normal. I have a very oily nose. Eyeliner is still there, which is surprising. You can see my glasses stain here. No touch-ups here. So, yeah. God, I look like Rudolph. So the things that I like love 100%, not bad. And I think I did get my skin color, though there were some parts throughout the day where it looked too dark, so be careful with this. This for sure, love it. This and this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.